Stop! If you have been doing the same boring exercises for months and seeing zero results, I have got news for you. You might be wasting your time. What if I told you 6 unique exercises can supercharge your strength, torch fat, and make your workouts fun? These are not your basic push-ups and squats. These are science-backed, trainer-approved, and, let's be honest, surprisingly effective. The best part? You probably have not even heard of them until now. Stick around until the last exercise because it is so powerful it might just replace your entire leg day. Let's dive in. Exercise 1. The Spider-Man Crawl. Have you ever seen Spider-Man scaling walls and thought, man, if only my workouts were that cool? Well, good news. This move might not get you superpowers, but it will simultaneously fire up your core, shoulders, and legs. Here's how to do it. Start in a push-up position. Bring your right knee to your right elbow while staying low. Switch to the other side, keeping your movement controlled and stealthy, like a superhero sneaking up on a villain. Why it works? It torches belly fat by engaging deep core muscles, improves hip mobility, which 90% of people desperately need. It builds total body coordination, smoother, more athletic movement in everyday life. Try this for 30 seconds. Feel the burn yet? Good. That means it is working. But wait. If you think this move is intense, wait until we get to exercise number 4. It is going to hit muscles you did not even know existed. Exercise 2. The Dead Hang Core Squeeze. Hanging around is not just for monkeys. This underrated move will revolutionize your core strength. If you struggle with back pain or weak abs, this is a must-try. How to do it. Grab a pull-up bar with an overhand grip. Hang dead still, no swinging. Now engage your core like someone's about to punch you in the stomach. Hold for 15-30 seconds. Why it works. It decompresses your spine, aka it feels amazing after sitting all day. Strengthens deep core stabilizers, helping you lift heavier and prevent injuries. Enhances grip strength, essential for everything from deadlifts to opening stubborn pickle jars. Bonus, want to level up? Bring your knees up slightly for a brutal ab workout. Speaking of brutal, have you ever tried holding a plank while a toddler climbs on your back? Yeah, this is the gym version of that. Exercise 3. Nordic Hamstring Curl. Listen, your hamstrings are tired of being ignored. Leg day is excellent, but if all you are doing is squats, you are missing out. Here is how the Nordic Hamstring Curl works. Kneel on a soft surface. Secure your feet under a heavy object or have a friend hold them. Slowly lower your body forward while keeping your spine neutral. Use your hamstrings to control the descent. This will burn like crazy. Push back up or use your hands to assist. Why it works. Bulletproofs your hamstrings against injuries. It builds insane posterior chain strength, essential for sprinting, jumping, and flexing in the mirror. Studies show it reduces ACL injury risk, so if you play sports, this is a game changer. Fair warning, you will feel this tomorrow. And if you think that was intense, wait till you see exercise number 5. It is banned in some gyms for being too hardcore. Exercise 4. The Jefferson Curl. You have been told, never round your back. But what if I told you controlled spinal flexion is good for you? Enter the Jefferson Curl. Grab a lightweight. Seriously, don't ego lift. Stand tall. Then slowly roll your spine down, vertebra by vertebra. Go as far as comfortable, then reverse the motion. Why it works. It strengthens your lower back in a way deadlifts never could. Improves hamstring flexibility. Goodbye, tight hips. Builds resilience, so your back is strong, not fragile. Warning, this one humbles even strong lifters. Start light and focus on form. Exercise 5. The Knees Over Toes Split Squat. Your knees are built to move forward, yet we have been told to keep them behind our toes. It turns out that advice is outdated. Here's how to do it. Step into a deep lunge, allowing your front knee to move past your toes. Keep your heel on the ground and stay controlled. Push back up and repeat. Why it works. Reverses knee pain by strengthening your VMO, the muscle responsible for bulletproof knees. Improves ankle mobility, helping with squats and overall movement. Unlocks next-level leg strength. If your knees pop louder than a microwave popcorn bag, congrats, you need this exercise. Exercise 4, the Jefferson Curl. Sounds weird. Looks weird. But trust me, it builds leg power like nothing else. How to do it? Stand on your toes, lean back, and squat down. Keep your hips extended and let your knees travel forward. Push back up using your quads. Why it works. It blasts quad in ways squats don't. Strengthens ankles and knee tendons. Hello, longevity. Builds insane lower body control. Hold on to a support if you are starting. This one's deceptively complex. Now that you know these 6 game-changing exercises, which one are you trying first? Comment below. And hey, if you want more secret training hacks like this, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Until next time, train smart, stay strong, and keep crushing it.